What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to send payment requests on PhonePe. So, you might be wondering, how do you exactly do so? Well, there are going to be a few things that you may want to do here. So, first things first is you want to open the PhonePe app. So, in this case, you want to make sure you log in on their main menu screen, and this is where you'll see several quick action options. Now, look for the section that says transfer to mobile number or something similar. Tap on it. This is where you can send or request money directly using someone's UPI or mobile details. Now, you'll see a few different transfer methods like the bank account, UPI number, or UPI ID. What you want is the UPI ID option, so go ahead and tap on it. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and tap on the Add New UPI ID and enter the recipient's UPI ID, and this is where the person you want to request money from. Once you've typed in their ID, hit the Verify button to make sure it's valid. Now, once the UPI ID is verified, PhonePe will link you to that user and open kind of like a chat window. This is where you will be able to send a payment request directly. Now, from then on, just enter the amount you want to request, whether it's 300 rupees, 400, or any other number, and tap Send Request or the Send button. The recipient will get a notification to approve the payment. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.